Do you ever feel like you're stuck in the same place while others are moving ahead? Have you ever wondered what truly successful people do differently? The secret is in their daily habits. If you truly want to transform your life, follow these 20 powerful steps. Number 7 will shock you. 1. Expand your network. Your success is not just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Connect with people who inspire you and open new opportunities. 2. Dream big. If your dreams don't scare you, they're too small. Push your limits and aim for greatness. 3. Plan ahead. Success isn't accidental. The most successful people map out their journey before they start. 4. Make every day count. Imagine waking up every morning knowing you're creating something meaningful. Live each day with purpose. 5. Stay focused. Distractions are dream killers. Cut the noise and laser focus on what truly matters. 6. Watch less TV. Instead of watching others succeed, work on your own success story. 7. Invest in yourself. Most people ignore this. Your best investment is you. Learn new skills, read books, and prioritize self-growth. 8. Read more books. Every book holds years of wisdom. Why not learn from the greatest minds in history? 9. Avoid time wasters. Stay away from people who drain your energy and offer nothing positive in return. 10. Take smart risks. Big rewards come from taking bold steps, but always calculate the risks first. 11. Write down your goals. A goal not written down is just a wish. Make it real by putting it on paper. 12. Spend wisely. Financial freedom doesn't come from how much you earn, but how smartly you spend. 13. Prioritize your health. What's the point of success if you don't have the energy to enjoy it? 14. Follow your passion. Life is too short to live by someone else's rules. Do what truly matters to you. 15. Learn from the best. Success leaves clues. Study the lives of those who inspire you and apply their strategies. 16. Build meaningful relationships. True happiness is found in strong and supportive relationships, not in material things. 17. Be grateful. A grateful heart attracts more blessings. Appreciate what you have, and you'll always have more. 18. Take action. Even when it's hard, winners don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. Act now. 19. Have a powerful why. If your why is strong enough, no challenge can stop you. Keep your purpose alive. 20. Be a problem solver, not a complainer. The world moves forward because of doers, not whiners. Be the change you want to see. Which of these steps will you start applying today? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Positivity Power for more motivational content. Let's grow together.